For all the talk of American energy independence, supply concerns continue to roil the energy market. Oil keeps moving higher. Here to put it all in perspective is Jeffrey Grossman, president of BRG Brokerage. Welcome, Jeffrey. And tell me, I keep hearing about problems in Iran, production problems in Libya, North Sea production problems, and that's moving oil higher despite all this other talk about America making more oil and natural gas than ever. Can you put it all into perspective?
Well, let's look at the market. Turn the clock back a couple of months here. We were trading at about $95 in crude oil, and it looked like the market really was on its way back down to about $90. It looked like it was ready to test it. Then we had the turmoil that came out of the Middle East with Egypt and the like, and then of course with that comes stories that back onto that, Libya and the like, and the market worked its way higher up to about that 105, trading as high as $109. Now, to maintain those kind of numbers, you really need some backup information here, which hasn't come. These situations have pretty much petered out a little bit, and we're working our way down. We're trading now very technically, I'd say. The truth is the market did break out once it got above 105 and is now really right at the precipice of that $105 level and not sure again. Now, today's numbers that came out were not the most constructive at all, and this market did crack below 105 here, and we're wondering how it's going to end up today after it's all said and done. The stories you're hearing then, of course, about energy independence is the U.S. is a major exporter now of refined products, and that does tell a story about the availability of crude oil here domestically, which is in ample supply.
It's in ample supply here. However, we heard from Chevron and Exxon this summer. Their earnings were less than Wall Street expected. So they're having a harder time than ever finding new oil deposits. They're paying more. They're going deeper into the ocean. So what does that mean for supply concerns going forward? Can oil move back up to 110, 115 if the big guys can't find it?
Well, it certainly can go higher. Let's not ever sugarcoat that. Again, all you need is some positive information here. Anytime you hear a positive discussion of China's economy, anytime you hear anything that, again, could be another blip as far as the turmoil in the Middle East, those things can take it up without any change as far as inventories and the like. But the truth is, so far, and I don't see a change happening that quickly, we have ample supply here, so I don't think it's going to be an easy move to go up. I'm looking more for this market to settle back, having to test $100 in the next couple of weeks.
Thanks a lot, Jeffrey.
No problem at all.